Assalamu alaikum. Already I but our Telegram channel, but posted what will happen to today's Telegram. I'm now showing you through video who wins the Telegram channel now. Here's the first sex. Okay. The first time we have to do our strike from here at 1 DU. We'll click on the stack. This is the first time we've done it since Telecom. And those who don't want to work here now start working today. So they have sex on the Telegram. Of course, if you have to work here, you have to have sex on the Telegram. Since that period, what we must pursue post-auction aligns with my observation here. Is the PPR team watching or I watch you? It's evident that the PPR squad isn't one of the boys' choices, hence we shall opt out of the league's selections and instead secure the license from Bangladesh. As you can perceive, subsequent to that we shall select the exceptional option. Then you have to find out. The ATU's golden button will click here, then process it at 1, it's gone. It's gone. Wonder our price is 5 millennia, but here we do it very easily. If you want to do this every day, please like it, share, comment, and stay with our challenges and stay with our channels.
Thus, today has a lesser load, and Cipher's quota is incoming. How does one plan to take on Cyber with 100,000 against 1 million? Let's have a look at this live demonstration. Trying again. Dash followed by a dot. You see P is coming. Then you are. Touch it, then tap and hold. Then let go. Okay, that's one done. And then tap and hold twice next. Another one completed. Now you press once, then press and hold. Press and continue holding. Release. It's clear we've reached the milestone of 1 million points, equating to 10 lakhs. Indeed, we have earned it, and should you desire the full specifics, I invite you to visit my Telegram channel where all the details are posted. Take care. I'll be presenting new videos daily, so stay tuned to our channel Al Hafiz, and for more, join us on Telegram. That courtroom, once more, you're invited to examine thoroughly when it's vacant or check out video number 112.